juicy and raw. Juicy and raw with LaLa. That's my show, that's my vibe. Juicy and raw, peace and love, we say yeah.
High vibrations. Before you scroll away because this juice is green, pause. I promise, this is not lawn clippings in a jar. This is not hold your nose and hope for the best. This is not a punishment for eating snacks that you love so much. This is the green reset juice. Green does not mean gross. Green means gifted, gorgeous. Let's be honest. Some of y'all had one bad green juice in 2014 and you've been traumatized ever since. It tasted like regret, grass, disappointment, and a bad decision you made at the farmer's market. But hear me, this wasn't green juice. This was poor supervision. Parsley is not just decoration for your plate. Parsley has been misunderstood for years. People see parsley and think, oh, that little thing they throw on the plate and ignore. No, baby. Parsley said, I clean blood. Parsley is like, I don't talk much, but I handle business. Parsley purifies quietly. Cucumber is water with a degree. It shows up calm, unbothered, moisturized. Cucumber is not here for the drama. It is here to say, relax, you're hydrated. If your skin feels tight, if your brain feels foggy, if your patience is gone, Cucumber said, have a sip and stop yelling at people. Celery is controversial. Some people love it. Some people say it tastes like a fridge, a garden hose, a stick that went to therapy. But celery is not here to impress you. Celery is here to calm your nerves. Celery says, lower your shoulders, stop clenching your jaw, digest your food in peace. And honestly, some of us need that kind of friend. Green apple is the peace offering. This is where the juice says, I got you. Green apple brings sweetness, so the greens don't act brand new. This is balance. This is teamwork. This is flavor diplomacy. Sweetness belongs in green juice. That's not cheating. That's wisdom. Pineapple said, don't worry, I'll make it delicious. Pineapple handles bitterness, fear, and childhood trauma from bad juice recipes. Is the reason people say, oh, wait, this is actually good. Yes. Yes, it is. Ginger is powerful. And I'm going to say this with love. Ginger is not the main character. It is the supporting role. Too much ginger will have you sweating, questioning life, and texting people you shouldn't. A little ginger says, hey, wake up. A lot of ginger says, are you awake now? We want the whisper, not the argument. Lemon is the editor, the finisher. It comes in and says, cut that, brighten this, clean it up. Lemon makes the whole juice make sense. Now look at this color. This is not a scary green. This is luxury green. This is spa water. This is I have my life together green. This juice won't hurt you, won't judge you, won't taste like sadness. It will support digestion, calm inflammation, and hydrate your cells. High vibration. You don't need to suffer to be healthy. If your healthy choices feel like punishment, you won't stick with them. Greens don't need fear, they need better flavor, better education, and high vibes. Say it with me. Green juice is support, not a punishment. Look at this juice. Look at it. Calm, fresh, not aggressive. Sip it slow. Relax your face. Let your body realize that it is safe. If this made you less afraid of greens, subscribe because that means I did my job. And grab my juicing bundle if you're ready to stop fighting your body and start working with it. Stay tuned because next we're getting purple and peaceful.
Oh, la, la, la. juicy